Canceling pending bill payments on Scotia Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log in to Scotia Bank online banking. Visit the Scotia Bank website, which is scotiabank.com/calin/personal.html, and enter your login credentials. Access the Bill Payments section. Navigate to the Accounts tab and select Bill Payments from the drop-down menu. Locate the pending payment. Under the Upcoming Activities section, find the pending bill payment you want to cancel. Click the Cancel button. Next to the pending payment, you will see a Cancel button. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. Confirm cancellation. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the cancellation. Review the details and click Confirm to proceed. Once the cancellation is complete, the pending payment should no longer appear under Upcoming Activities.